My wife caught that the island was a little bit off in time. I actually noticed it last night after they left. And so when they showed up this morning, she WhatsApp text them about it all. And when they showed up this morning, they're like, okay, we got it. No big deal. Didn't really introduce any more work for them. So they're cool with that. So a little bit tip for you as you're doing construction projects in Mexico is even if you're working with an architect or not, and we'll give, again, I've said we have done both. You need to make sure that you're always checking and make sure there's no miscommunications on exactly what you want. And it's not even an English-Spanish thing, as a factor. Our more local team doesn't know any English. And this kitchen design, the kitchen designer does. And so it's a little bit easier with him, but it's just making sure they really understand what you want. And as they do it, you can give them feedback. It's easily caught before it increases your price on what you're doing. So that's it from now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. They get more videos like this. The video, hey, if you got a comment or a question about doing a project like this here in Mexico, go ahead and leave a comment down there. And hey, if you're wanting to know more information about being an expat, what an expat is, then join my newsletter over at expatrebel.com. And you can get a weekly email where we talk about being an expat and the challenges and rewards of having that type of lifestyle. Being here, semi-retired in Mexico has been fantastic and is one of the things that really changed my life so dramatically, and love it here. And so I share that on the newsletter, a little bit more detail. So that's it from now from Yucatan, Mexico. See you guys next time. Bye.